I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Nissan Rogue wiper blades. First, make sure you have your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Park your vehicle on a level surface for safety. Then, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents it from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. It might require a little wiggle. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back against your windshield. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both blades are attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm assembly back down onto your windshield, ensuring it rests properly. If you need to replace both blades, simply repeat these steps for the other side. Once both new blades are installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your Nissan Rogue and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they clear the glass smoothly and quietly, providing you with clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.